Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to biology class. This is me, Miss Sophia Yakub from APS Boys Salcode. It's Monday, 18th May 2020 and 8th week. Let's get to know what's our topic today. Suppose one day you go to school and everything is changed. You enter the class and you come to know that all the students from all the classes are sitting in the same room. And you're like, oops, what's that? And many questions cross your mind like no sections, no separate classes. How can we study in the same room having students of different grades and different subjects? It seems like a nightmare, isn't it? That's why school classifies students according to their level, grades, and subject. As you are classified in class 8 and then different sections of biology and computer according to the subject choice you made, so that learning and teaching process could take place in a proper and easy way. I used the word classify. So that's our topic today, classification and its aim and principles. And our objectives are students will be able to describe aims and principle of classification. Let's study about the background of classification of living organism. There are almost 1.5 million type of animals and zero point 0.5 million type of plants which are known to biologists. And there are many undiscovered organisms also. Each type of organism have its own way of living, which is different from others. They have different feeding styles, different way of moving. Some organisms can fly, some can walk, and some do not move. And they have different way of reproduction and respiration. As there are so many type of organisms, so it becomes difficult to learn about their characteristics individually. That's why biologists divide organisms into groups and subgroups. That is called classification. Classification is the biological method of dividing organisms into groups and subgroups. Now we are going to see what are the aims of classification. Aims mean purpose. The very first aim is to determine the similarities and differences among the organisms so they can be studied easily. It means to find out the similar organism as they are kept in same group. The second aim is to find the evolutionary relationship among the organisms. We usually hear that humans are evolved from chimpanzees. It will be more accurate to say that human and chimpanzees have a common evolutionary history and relationship. A question came in my mind that would there be any separate branch to study about the classification? Yes, there are two main branches, taxonomy and systematics. Taxonomy is the branch of biology which deals with the study of classification of living organisms, and systematics is the branch of biology which deals with the classification and evolutionary history also. Now we are going to study basis of classification. Classification is based on relationship among the organism that caused by similarities among them. All the organisms are related to each other at some point in evolutionary history. Closely related organisms are more similar to each other and they are kept in same group. Like sparrow is closely related to pigeon than the insects. Biologists keep in mind the following things while classifying the organisms. They classify the organisms on the basis of similarities in internal and external structures. Like all the fish can swim and they have gills, they are kept in same group. Birds can fly and they have wings, that's why they are kept in a same group. Many insects can also fly, but their internal structure is different from birds. That's why insects are kept in different group and birds are kept in different. The second point on the basis of which organisms are classified is the stages of development. That how they are developed and how do they reproduce. And then few scientists also classify organisms on the basis of similarities in DNA and genes. It was all about today. Let's have a recap. We studied about classification. Classification is the division of organism into groups and subgroups. Then we studied aim. Aims are to find the similarities and differences among the organism and to find out the evolutionary history. Then organisms are classified on the basis of similarities. Your assignment question is explain the aim and principle of classification keeping in view the historical background. The answer of this question is given in this video. So watch it carefully. Good luck.